Hi, hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell about characteristic function of geometric distribution. Okay, so characteristic function in short form we can write as CF. Okay, CF in the sense what? Characteristic function. Okay, so it is denoted with pi x of t. Okay, so its formula is expectation of e power itx. Okay, so this is of the form expectation of x. So expectation of x formula is nothing but summation x into p of x. Okay, so we'll write in this way. This term we'll write in this way. Okay, so that equals to summation x in the sense what? E power itx into p of x. But the limits of geometric distribution is from 0 to infinity. Okay, so that equals to summation x equals to 0 to infinity e power itx into p of x in the sense what is the formula for geometric distribution? Q power x into p. Okay, so q power x into p. So that equals to, so here we are taking p as common. We are taking this term outside the summation. Why? Because for p we are not having x limits. Okay, so that's why we are taking p outside. So p summation x equals to 0 to infinity, and these both terms we are writing as a single term. Okay, so q into e power it whole power x. Why? Because this is having x in power x and this term is also having power as x. So that's why these two terms we have written into single term. So now we have to remove this summation and substitute x limits. So p into q into e power it whole power 0 plus q into e power it whole power 1 plus q into e power it whole square plus and so on. We can substitute till infinity. Okay, that equals to p into, if we think this one as x, it is in the form of x power 0. So x power 0 is nothing but 1 plus q into e power it whole power 1 plus q into e power it whole square plus and so on we'll get. Okay, so here we thought that this term is x. So we'll get this term in the form of 1 plus x power 1 plus x square plus x cube plus and so on, like this we'll get. So the formula of this expansion is nothing but, here we'll get the expansion of this is 1 minus x to the power of minus 1 expansion. Okay, so now what we have to do is, we have to write this whole term in this form. Okay, so therefore pi x of t equals to, here we are having p, so p into 1 minus x in the sense what we thought? Q into e power it whole power minus 1. Okay, so this is the formula for pi x of t. Okay, so now we have to calculate mean. Okay, so calculating mean for geometric distribution using characteristic function. Okay, so we have to use characteristic function in order to find out mean for geometric distribution. Okay, so we have to use characteristic function property. So mean is denoted with mu1 dash. Okay, so that equals to, so we have to do differentiate with respect to t in order to find out the mean value. But here in characteristic function we are having I. So what we have to do is, we have to do minus I into d by dt of phi x of t by t equals to 0. So like this we have to differentiate. Okay, so that equals to minus I into d by dt of pi x of t in the sense what? We have to write this value. Okay, so p into 1 minus q into e power it whole power minus 1 where t equals to 0. So that equals to minus I into, so here p is not having any t limits. So that's why we have to take this p outside of d by dt. Okay, so p into d by dt of 1 minus q into e power it whole power minus 1 where t equals to 0. So it is in the form of x power n. Now we have to differentiate with respect to t this term. Okay, so that equals to minus I into p. So minus 1 into 1 minus q into e power it whole power minus 1 into, again we have to differentiate this term. Why? Because here we are having t term now. So minus q into e power it, again we have to do power. Why? Because in power we are having t term. Okay, so I, because the coefficient of t is I, so into I will get. Okay, where t equals to 0. Now we have to substitute t value 0 wherever we are having t. So minus ip into minus 1 into 1 minus q into e power I into 0 whole power minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 2. Okay, into minus q into e power I into 0 into I. So that equals to, so now we have to simplify this term. So minus ip we are having here. See, minus ip into, here minus 1 we are having, here minus q we are having into I. So what will get? Q I will get into 1 minus, here q into e power 0 will get. So e power 0 is nothing but 1. So 1 into q is q whole to the power of minus 2. And here q we have written here already. So e power 0. E power 0 is nothing but 1. Okay, I we have written here. So minus I into I, what? Minus I square into pq. Okay, into 1 minus q in the sense what? P we can write whole power minus 2. So that equals to I square in the sense the value of I square is 1, but sorry minus 1. But here we are having minus I square. So minus of minus 1 into pq by, we can write p square. Why? Because here p power minus 2 we are having no. So in by format we have written. So that equals to p get cancelled. So q by p is the answer. So mu1 dash equals to what is the answer? Q by p. Okay, q by p. So now we have to find out variance. Okay, so variance. So variance formula is, it is denoted with mu2. So that equals to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. Okay, so now we have to do mu2 dash. We have just now find out mu1 dash. So now we are going to do mu2 dash. So mu2 dash equals to d square by dt square. Why? Because it is second non-central moment. Okay, into 5x of t where t equals to 0. But in front of this we have to keep I square. Okay, that equals to, why? Because this is characteristic function. Characteristic function is having I variable. So that's why we have to keep here I square. So I square into, now we have to split this one. D by dt of, again d by dt of pi x of t where t equals to 0. That equals to I square into d by dt of, see, d by dt of pi x of t in the sense what? P into 1 minus q into e power it whole power minus 1. Okay, where t equals to 0. So that equals to I square into d by dt of, so p is not having t variable. So that's why we'll write p in front of d by dt. So I square p into d by dt of, this one we have to differentiate. So minus 1 into 1 minus q into e power it whole power minus 1 into minus q into e power it into I will get. Okay, where t equals to 0. So that equals to I square into p. Okay, and this one minus 1 into minus q is q into I. Okay, so q into I is nothing but qi. Okay, this term will take outside. Why? Because q and I is not having any t variables. So q into I. Okay, so d by dt of 1 minus q into e power it whole power minus 2 into e power it, where t equals to 0. Okay, so here this is u, this is v. So uv we have to do differentiate. Okay, so uv differentiation formula is uv equals to u dash v plus uv dash. Okay, first we'll do u dash. U dash in the sense u value is this one. Okay, so I square into pq, I square into I is nothing but I cube. Okay, here I cube into pq into u dash in the sense minus 2 into 1 minus q into e power it whole power minus 2 minus 1 into minus q into e power it again into I. Okay, u dash completed. Now v term we have to, v is there no, so v term we have to write as it is e power it plus here u we have to write as it is 1 minus q into e power it whole power minus 2 into v dash. V dash in the sense what? E power it. So the differentiation of e power it is nothing but e power it into I. Okay, where t equals to 0. So now what we have to do is, wherever we are having t variable, we have to substitute there 0. So that equals to I cube into pq into minus 2 into 1 minus q into e power I into 0 whole power minus 3, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 into minus q into I into minus q into e to the power of I into 0 into I into e power I into 0 plus 1 minus q into e power I into 0 whole power minus 2 into e power I into 0 into I. Okay, so that equals to I cube into pq into minus 2 into 1 minus here q into e power 0. So e power 0 value is 1. So q into 1 is nothing but q whole power minus 3 into minus q into e power 0 is nothing but 1. So 1 into minus q is minus q into I. I into e power 0. E power 0 is 1. So 1 into I is nothing but I plus 1 minus q into e power 0. So e power 0 value is what? 1. So 1 into q is q whole power minus 2 into e power 0 is nothing but 1. So 1 into I is I. So if you observe these both terms, here we are having I as common. So we'll take I as common. So I cube into I, nothing but I power 4 into p cube. Okay, so here minus 2, here minus q, nothing but 2q into 1 minus q whole cube plus 1 minus q whole square. That equals to I power 4 into pq 2q by here 1 minus q in the sense what? P. So p power minus 3 is there, no? So we'll keep, or else, okay, 1 minus q whole cube we'll keep. Okay, here minus 3, no? So here we have written in by format. Okay, plus 1 by 1 minus q whole square. So that equals to I power 4 value is nothing but 1. Why? Because I square equals to minus 1. So I power 4 we can write as I square into I square. So that equals to minus 1 into minus 1, nothing but 1. So 1 into pq into 2q by p cube. Why? Because 1 minus q is nothing but p cube plus 1 by p square. So that equals to 2p q square by p cube plus p cube by p square. So here p cancel, here p cancel. So mu2 dash equals to 2q square by p square plus q by p is mu2 dash. Okay. So now we have to find out what? Variance. So mu2 equals to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. So mu2 dash value is 2q square by p square plus q by p minus mu1 dash is q by p. Okay. So q by p whole square, that equals to 2q square by p square plus q by p minus q square by p square, that equals to 2q square by p square minus q square by p square. How much? Q square by p square plus q by p. So that equals to, here p square is the LCM. Okay. So here we get q square plus pq we'll get. Okay. So now we'll take common as q. So q into q plus p by p square. So q plus p is nothing but 1. So that equals to q by p square is the answer. Okay. So therefore mu2 equals to q by p square. So this is variance. Okay. So I think everybody understood this derivation. So if anybody are watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and forward to your friends. It is very useful. Okay. So, and also don't forget to like my video. Okay. So thank you for watching once again. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye. Take care.